Morning folks, Kevin here. Well, it's February 4th, 2026. I'm out back by the solar panels. We got some snow again last night. I don't know, probably 5 inches of snow, it looks like. You know, nice lake effect, fluffy, light stuff. Yesterday I came out and cleaned off all the solar panels, so there's not a whole bunch on there now. I didn't clean up below them, but I did get them cleaned up. You notice the last couple of days I haven't been posting videos. A lot of what I'm doing is just, you know, it's like Groundhog Day. Yesterday it did get warm. It got up to 29 degrees Fahrenheit. It's in the teens, going to be in the teens today. And but we're headed for another cold spell, and we're headed for a little more snow. I don't think we're going to be getting lots of snow, big dumps. We'll see. Just don't know. And it's the videos that I would be posting is me just snow blowing or cleaning off solar panels, that sort of thing. Very similar to everything I've been posting lately. So I'll probably be posting fewer videos until we start getting some warm-ups where I can actually get back into the shop and get some work done and all. I'm waiting for spring, to tell you the truth. I'm really looking forward to warmer weather and all. And I'm doing lots of things in the house that have got to be done. And, of course, office work, which piled up big time. But maybe next week things will start warming up a bit. I'm hoping. We'll see. We have probably 6 more weeks of unpleasant weather here in central New York. You know, it's just how things are here. It gets to be, about this point in time, it gets to be frustrating dealing with the snow. But the snow isn't that bad. The cold is really what gets to me, these really super cold temperatures. You know, we're going to be way below zero this week again. Wind chills real far below zero. So we'll be down into, the warmest it'll be will probably be in the single digits. So that's just how things will be. And, you know, it's depressing. It's so overcast here. Just looking forward to some sunshine and all. So frustrating as it may be, I'm just going to go ahead and clean off the solar panels. I don't know if I'll be snow blowing yet today. You can see it's not too bad. There's in one of the tracks here. Good Lord. It is what it is. So I hope you folks are going to stay safe. Take care. I'll upload more videos. I may be doing a review on a ladder that a company sent me. A collapsible ladder. Having trouble getting instructions from them on the ladder. But that video may be coming in the near future. Anyways, stay safe, take care, and we will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye now.